Hello, another quick video on the Ninja Foodi. This time with this, it's a chicken, whole chicken, 1.3 kilograms. What you can do is, well, normally you stick it in the oven and it'll be there for a whole afternoon. This one, stick it in there, make sure there's water underneath, and then put it on pressure cook. Pressure cook it on high for 20 minutes, and then air fry it for 10 minutes and you're done. Roast chicken done in half an hour. So let's try it. Turn that on. Put it on pressure. Make sure it's on high. Oh, hang on a minute, because you're pressure cooking you need to have a lid. So you leave that lid up. And you get this lid. Which slots on like that. Make sure the vent is set to seal. High. 20 minutes. Done. So preheats and then heats. 20 minutes time we'll get a beep and then we'll check back then. Right, see you in a bit. Right. So that's at 20 minutes. So now we need to vent it. So you just move that over from seal to vent. Don't use your fingers because you'll burn it. Burn your fingers because look what happens. Like any pressure cooking. Right, so that's all vented. You know it's ready to open when this little silver knob here drops down. It rises up to stop you from opening it when there's pressure, so you know it's safe to open when that's gone down. So, let's have a look. So there it is. Looking good. Well, it's not looking good, let's be honest. When pressure cook anything, it doesn't look good. So now this is the bit that makes it look good for air fry. Before you put it onto air fry, take this out and drain all the water. Don't forget to keep this water, you can turn it into nice gravy. Before you air fry it, what we've done, we put some rosemary in there, you can put onions or whatever just to give it a bit of flavour. So empty this out. Because when you air fry it, you can't have any water in there or any liquid, otherwise it won't air fry very well. What I might do actually, I've got this olive oil spray. Spray it on just to possibly help with the crisping a bit, but also it'll help stick the salt onto the skin. That's the most important bit, isn't it? Really decent skin. So get this salt all up on it. Rub it. You can get like a poultry rub if you want, but yeah, I like to keep it simple. Bit of salt, quite a lot of salt, and that's it. So this is, I'd say this is a medium-sized chicken. I just pressure cooked it for 20 minutes. You got a larger one, maybe go 25. Smaller one, maybe go 15, and then air fry it for. I'm gonna do this one for 15, but I'm gonna do it for 10 first, just to check on it after 10, just in case. So now we'll use this lid. The other lid's just for pressure cooking. And maybe slow cooking. So now you change the dial, what function you want to go to, air crisp, 200 degrees I guess, yeah, and then 10 minutes. And let's check back, see how that is later. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's getting there. Not as crispy as I was hoping at the moment. I'm just going to check the temperature. 72, so that's done. When you're looking for 70 degrees with chicken. So I don't want to do it anymore. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's take it out and have a proper look. So here it is. Not as crispy as I was hoping, but it is super moist. So moist that even the wing dust just came off the bone. So the trouble I find with chicken normally is it can be very dry, but this is a way of doing it where the pressure cooking really locks in the moisture. So yeah, gonna enjoy this. Any questions? Let me know.